Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best facial cleansers for Indian skin. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, sensitive, or normal skin, we've got you covered with the perfect cleanser to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about cleansers for oily and acne-prone skin. Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash contains salicylic acid, which helps combat acne and is non-comedogenic, making it gentle on your skin. Next, we have Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser, specially formulated to remove excess oil without stripping your skin. Lastly, try Himalaya Herbal's Purifying Neem Face Wash, which contains neem and turmeric to fight acne and bacteria, perfect for daily use. Now, for those with dry skin, here are some top recommendations. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is mild and non-irritating, making it suitable for sensitive and dry skin. Aveeno's Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser contains soothing oat extract and provides gentle hydration for dry skin. Bioderma's Atoderm Intensive Gel Moussant is an ultra-gentle cleanser that restores moisture while cleansing, ideal for very dry and sensitive skin. For combination skin, these cleansers strike the right balance. Clean and clear. Foaming face. Wash removes excess oil while maintaining your skin's natural balance, preventing acne without over-drying. Simple's Kind to Skin. Refreshing facial wash is gentle and balanced, perfect for combination skin. Lastly, Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing. Face wash with green tea extracts controls oil and acne, making it great for combination skin. For sensitive skin, here are some gentle yet effective cleansers. La Roche-Posay Toleriane. Hydrating. Gentle cleanser is fragrance-free and safe for sensitive skin, hydrating and soothing while cleansing. Avene Cleanance Cleansing Gel is a soap-free, gentle gel suitable for sensitive, acne-prone skin. Sebamed Clear Face Cleansing. Foam is pH balanced to protect your skin's barrier, ideal for sensitive and acne-prone skin. And for normal skin, here are some great options. Kaya Clinic's Everyday Cleansing Gel is mild and perfect for daily use, maintaining your skin's natural moisture balance. Nivea Total Face Cleanup is a multi-action formula for cleansing, scrubbing, and masking, keeping normal skin clear and fresh. Finally, The Body Shop's Tea Tree Skin Clearing. Facial wash contains tea tree oil to keep your skin clear and fresh, perfect for daily use. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to choose the right cleanser for your skin type. Know your skin type. Identify if your skin is oily, dry, combination, sensitive, or normal. Look for specific ingredients. Salicylic acid for acne-prone skin, hyaluronic acid for dry skin, and gentle, fragrance-free options for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh chemicals. Choose products free from sulfates, parabens, and alcohol. Patch test. Always do a patch test before using a new product. And that's it for today's video on the best facial cleansers for Indian skin. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Take care and keep your skin glowing. See you next time.